Hi guys! For this DIY project, you would need wooden letters that spells out the word Xmas, meaning Christmas. So these wooden letters, you can get this from any craft store. I got mine from Michael's. And you would also need an acrylic gold paint and also some gold glitters. I'm making this Christmas sign for my Ikea lock shelf, but you can also use this sign on any shelf or your Christmas tree. I didn't sand the wood, I just wiped it clean because I think it's clean and smooth when I got it from the store. And with a paintbrush, I just started painting the surface. So you have the option to paint the other side or the inner side. But with this, I only painted one side. If you want the texture of the wood to be visible, then you just do one coating. But if you want it to be all covered, then you can do 2 coatings of paint. So guys, this is really a quick and easy way to glam up a shelf for Christmas, and I only spent less than $20. So let's see how this glammed up Christmas letters would look on an IKEA lock shelf. So guys, if you like this decor idea, like, share, and subscribe for more content. So I'll see you on the next one.